Here are 5 reasons why you should have your own website. First, think global. Did you know that global internet users have reached more than 2 billion people? Which means 30% of the world's total population. Global internet users spend the average time of 16 hours per month, while in the USA, internet users spend 32 hours per month. On average, Google searches reach 4.7 billion per day. With a website, nowadays you can promote and sell almost everything. From products, services, skills, ideas, even your talent. Choose a website name accordingly and give the world a chance to know you closer. Second, cost-effective. You hardly need to rent a store or any space that will cost you quite a fortune and your energy. Also, you no longer need to go door to door just to sell to your customers. There is an easier way. Yes, through websites, you can save more expenses and time. You can even control your business anytime, anywhere. Third, all-in-one platform. In a website, you can easily display the best of your products. And every bit of information that your customers need are all in one platform, a website of your own. Fourth, easy to access information. Website eases the process for people to know and understand every detail about your product. It allows your customers to order your product from anywhere at their convenience. You can also get all messages and information sent by your customers for your website anytime. Fifth, opportunity with big players. With your own website, you'll have more credibility and chances to approach investors and big companies. Impress them with your products and business proposal. Be ready to grab bigger opportunities for your business. So, how would you start your own online business? Does creating a website require a lot of money, time-consuming, or expertise skills? Doesn't have to.